What is going on today, folks? December 25th. Let's see what we are working with. Aw, it's a little Christmas tree. Okay, so I think, well, the heights are all the same, so I don't think we can use box shadow. And the colors are also different. Um, the top one being a square. What would be the best way of doing this? I'm thinking, I mean, maybe some sort of linear gradient, but I'm not I'm not even gonna try to wrestle with that right now. So I'm thinking we have a um few elements on the page. Let's see let's see how quick we can get this done. So I don't know. Like my brain is just resorting to having, maybe four elements on the page. And yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna do it. I think we can do four elements on the page, five elements on the page. Let's see. I feel like genuinely that might be the shortest approach for this. Um, so we have one, two, three, four, five. All right. And then here we could do uh, D for dark. Or sorry, D, D, and then here we'll do L, L. And then we can kind of just begin by, let's start working on the P's here. So um, P will have a height of 60 to 80, 20 pixels. Height, 20 pixels. I don't even need pixels. Width, 20 as well. And then background will be this gold, yellow, right? We just need to now position these. So if I go margin, always start with 50. I think we might be good. Oh, no, we're not. 50 and then 150. So 52 and 150, 170, 180. Okay, so a bit less, 178, 182. There we go. And then if we do margin bottom, 20 pixels. Fantastic. Now we aligned each one, and it's just a matter of changing the background, and we'll go and L. Uh, Light will be this one here. Background and L class. That's not gonna work. And I'm confused. Why is that not working? Oh, that's not a class. That's why. And oh, there we go. If we go and dark. background this color. So we got the colors right. Now we just need to work on the width. I'm gonna put these that. So essentially, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to set these as the width of the first instance. So the light will be this wide, which would be probably it's 175 to 225. So it's 50, width 50. And then through like the plus selector, I'll be able to change the width too. So here we got 160 to 240, so 80, 80, oopsie, 80. And now I need to actually position them like, what if I do text aligned center? Oh man, just hoping that would work. Uh, okay, that's not gonna work. No problem. Let me just do and plus and plus. Wait, I think it would be and last child. Oh Lord. Okay. Um, we'll do the width. Instead of 50, it will be 145 to 155. 45 to 55. So it's 45 plus 55. 100. Okay. Did that work? And last child. Um, what if I do that work? Um, okay. I thought I could totally get away with if I go L, last child, and then here we'll go width 100, 150. L, last child. Am I missing? Oh, am I missing something? That's not gonna. That won't work. All right. Let's see here. And so let me just work on the positioning here. Display flex, justify content, align items. What is going on? Align items, justify content. Why is this? Okay. Display flex is the whole thing. I'm trying to justify content center. Aligning items. Like, why is this not working? HTML. Maybe I have to put that in the I think that's because it's doing the HTML and not the body. So if I add this here, And then I take these. What is this error? What is this? Did I break something? 182. Uh, if I, why is it that? And, there we go. But it still doesn't work. It does work. It's just, what is, oh, flex direction. Okay. And then, do I need these ones? Yes, that's the one I need. Actually, this one I don't need. And then margin bottom, 0. Okay, because now I need to figure out this, because this is no longer 55, 50, 40, 35, 34, 36. There we go. And now margin bottom 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Why is it like it's getting worse? It's getting more and more. So P will go. What if I do a gap here? So much fun. Um, 0. Okay, okay, I don't know what happened there. So if I go 20 now, maybe if I go 10, what if I go 12? So that one's right, but what now I need to, I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, let's see, that one's right, but my top one is a bit too high and everything else is, okay, so I think 12, let's go 10. And then we just have to shift this down an extra, maybe 40. It's a bit too much. 38, 42. Goodness. Okay. And now back to where we were with these. I'm certain I can do something along the lines of last child, but I'm not sure why it's not working. Um, maybe it's what if I do, I technically don't even need these. I could style them. You know what? Let's nth child, but this might be shorter. Um, but if I now go and nth child, we'll go 3 with 150. So that one 100, and then the second, oh no, wait, 80. That's correct. 80 is correct. That would be, I meant uh So fourth would be 145 to 155. That one's 100. And then now, you know what? Maybe if I just do P plus P plus P plus P, that actually that might actually do it. So let me just get rid of these for a sec. Okay. Okay, P plus P. Okay. And then if I put this is gonna be so funny. Um, plus P plus P plus P. Okay. So now I need to kind of go with is this a better approach? Define the background color in every single one. Let me just go with my original approach, and then I'm going to try this plus P. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and then 5 will be 130 to 270. 140, it seems like. Oh, number 3 is a bit off. 110 maybe? There we go. Okay, let's submit. 100% match. I was thinking if I opted for so if I go plus P, but then the plus P would be initially essentially the first one here, but I want to do that with the plus P. This is so ugly. So 518 was my first, and then if I just comment this out, okay, and then uh, now if I go plus P, oh my God, plus P, plus P, plus P, plus P, plus P. No, wait a sec. Plus P. Okay. And then these would be, this is insane. So, that's the other one here. And then, what on earth is this? This is hilarious. What? I don't even know. No, I'm 2 characters more. Okay, then. Let's do nth let's go nth child. Which one was I doing here? And nth child 2 do this. Oh no, I gotta actually. I don't think that's gonna be shorter. 4, and then already, I'm already more characters. I'm just gonna get more and more. Um, oh, odd. Instead of this one, I'll just go nth child. Even rather. And then here, nth child. Odd. 538. That's funny. It overwrote the first one. But I think my original approach may have been the slimmest, even though it was not so. This plus P one is funny though. I mean, it could have been shorter if I removed these, but marginally. 110. That's where we agreed. Okay, and then now let me just minify using my signature. Boom, boom. Also, these ones that are at the end of the um, they don't need to be there, and they're just kind of like, okay, and now we have these as well. This will be interesting to see how other people solve this. Fantastic. Anyway, that one took a little bit longer, but thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.